There was a flash flood in Kaniara, Dharamshala area on which third day itself today the rescue operation is on, and till now more than 200 people have been rescued from the Hydel project site. And this is the location where you see right behind here at 5 kilometers the Hydel project is located, where 13 people went missing, and out of which 5 were rescued one yesterday itself, and 8 went missing. And out of it, 6 dead bodies have been recovered so far, and 2 people are still missing, for which more than 100 personnel of NDRF, SDRF and local police are being rescuing it. And the operation is on third day itself. But you see the weather conditions are still more concerning here, because orange alert been issued by the weather department for till 11 p.m. Today. And you see the condition, the water level has been also been increasing after the heavy rainfall here, and there's always a danger for the localites who are residing nearby, and also the tourist people that are into such prone areas. And also disaster management and the weather department and the local administration had suggested issued an advisory for the people to not go nearby this nalas and this Manuni Khad or rivers that are located in Himachal, and also they need to safeguard themselves from the landslide, flash flood and any other danger or the disaster that could take place in such weather conditions. And also now on the third day the operation is on, but two people are now missing, for which the search is going on. And also these weather conditions are more concerning, because it's a start to the monsoon season, but this weather and the tragedies which has taken place, whether the cloud burst in the area or the flash flood or the heavy rain or the landslide, is somehow indicating that this time the monsoon is more concerning, is not usual as it used to be in these areas. With video journalist Girish, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today, Kaniara, Dharamshala.